it's me, Skylander Matt, and today I'm going to tell you guys about my new play button, which is the paper play button. Now you can draw, or I can draw stuff from videos, like this one's the story time with Squishy and Turtle. This one's my little mini me, right here. Hello, I'm a mini me. And then this one, right here is the cardboard play button, which is sitting right up there on my wall. Yeah, bye. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. This is kind of a short video, but it's just a paper play button. I made a video about the cardboard play button. It's right here. Yeah, and now I'm making a video about the paper play button. It does seem like a downgrade, yes, but, yeah. Goodbye. Hit that notification bell, like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff. Goodbye.